view outside in Chicago. It is crazy. It's 2011. What's the date? February 1st, Nilay's birthday.
Really?
Yes, it's my brother's birthday. It's a blizzard. Damn it, it's a blizzard.
Go, boss.
Blizzard.
Are you gonna run across the street too, you little goon?
They're talking about being a whiteout though.
These three clowns are gonna run across the street.
Are you in there, Scotty?
You ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Kathy Fox, you ready?
I'm taking
Ready? Go! 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 Go!
Come on, they're not waiting.
Rise.
Holy crap. Oh, look at it. Wait, stand in this mountain. Oh, Jesus. God. Stand in that big drift. Go back there.
Stand right there.
Drift. Okay, here, I got this one. Get together. Look at me. Right, you guys, I can't get you guys.
No, you only get snow. Wow.
Oh, you guys, it only gets snow.
Turn the power on. Oh, wait, hold on the battery.
What do I gotta turn the power to?
No, turn the battery.
Oh my God, look at the drift. Okay, Fox. Pranav is out here waiting. He's like freezing. Get out of here.
Go on, Jeffrey Fox. Look at this crazy nut man. Look at that, look at that. Oh my God, he's gonna fall on his butt. Woo, swing it, baby, swing it. Hey, it's a sand shot, Make it a flop shot, Yeah. You're crazy.